If you want to learn Base44 quickly, this video will show you the easiest way to get started and build apps without traditional coding. Base44 is designed for people who want to turn ideas into real apps and websites just by describing what they want. So if you've been curious about no-code and AI app building, you're in the right place. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. The first step is to log into Base44. Once you're inside, you'll see that the platform is built around prompts instead of manual coding. That means you don't need to start by writing lines of code. Instead, you simply describe your app in detail. For example, you could type something like, make a simple task manager app with a clean layout, due dates, priority labels, and a dashboard for completed tasks. The more specific your prompt is, the better Base44 can understand your idea and generate something useful. Think about the purpose of your app, the design style you want, and the features you need. If you want a website, you can describe the pages, buttons, sections, and overall layout. If you want an app, you can explain the workflow, user actions, and any key functions you want included. After you enter your prompt, Base44 will start creating your app or website automatically. In just a few minutes, it can generate a working version based on your request. This is one of the biggest advantages of Base44 because it saves time and removes a lot of the technical work that normally comes with app development. Once the first version is ready, you can start refining it. Base44 gives you a visual editor, so you can make changes directly by adjusting the design and layout. You can also chat with the AE assistant if you want to request updates in natural language. For example, you might ask it to change the color scheme, add a new button, improve the homepage, or simplify the navigation. This makes the process much easier because you can keep improving the app without needing advanced coding skills. Another helpful feature is that you can review everything in real time. That means you can test how the app looks and works as you build it. You can check the desktop version, switch to mobile view, and make sure the experience feels right on different devices. This is important because a good app should work smoothly on both desktop and mobile. Test the buttons, pages, forms, and interactions so you can catch any issues early and make adjustments before publishing. When everything looks good and the app is working the way you want, you can publish it. Base44 makes it possible to go from idea to live product very quickly, which is why it's such a powerful tool for beginners and creators who want to build faster. So the main process is simple. Log in, describe your app with a detailed prompt, let Base44 generate it, refine it with the visual editor or AI chat, test it in real time on desktop and mobile, and then publish when you're ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.